If you're looking for shorts, and I mean shorts, short shorts, look at these ones that I'm just trying for the first time. These are great, obviously. They come in different colors. They are 5-inch seam shorts. Now, typically I'm wearing 7-inch and above, but you know what? This is super duper comfortable. Love the style, because you can definitely dress them up if you want. Love the fact that they are that quick, dry fit material. Super stretchy as well. And they do say these are shorts that are extremely stretchy, so you can almost do like sporty stuff. Definitely gonna be wearing this golfing for sure, because it does complete a definite attire. They are 32. They do have those belt buckles if you wanna add a belt. Usually I typically wear belts with my shorts and my pants, but in this case, because of that stretch, I do kind of have like that nice kind of bring it back on me, and it's super comfortable. Now, they are shorter than I'm used to, and I'm gonna have to get used to this, but I do really enjoy the style.